Canceling a goods received note is an important process for correcting errors such as incorrect items, quantities, or pricing, and addressing issues like damaged goods, over or under delivery, and canceled orders. This action ensures accurate stock updates, reverses liabilities, and aligns financial records. Proper authorization and documentation are essential to maintain compliance and accountability. To cancel a GRN, navigate to the Procurement module and select Goods Received Note. In the newly opened window, go to the GRN View section and ensure you are selecting from a list of pending items. It's important to note that a checked or approved GRN cannot be canceled, as it signifies that the document has passed key verification stages and is considered finalized. If the GRN is marked as checked or approved, you must unlock it before proceeding with the cancellation. To unlock an approved GRN, choose Approved in the View section. Adjust the dates as needed to access the desired period, then click on View to display and select the desired GRN. Next, click on the GRN Items button. In the subsequent window, click on the Unlock GRN button and confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. Unlocking an approved GRN allows for the reversal of stock and accounts payable updates, ensuring accurate financial records and preventing disruption to invoicing or payment processes. It also ensures proper documentation of the change for compliance and audit purposes. After unlocking, close the current window, and in the next window, click on the Delete icon at the end of the GRN item. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. When the pop-up window appears, enter the reason for the cancellation. This ensures transparency, accountability, and compliance, helping to track errors, improve processes, and maintain a clear audit trail. Finally, click on the Cancel button to complete the process. For pending GRNs, you can cancel directly without unlocking, as unlocking is only necessary for approved GRNs.